is the merchant office dashboard. From here you can overview your orders in month and year, as well as for your sales month and year. So here is your overall. This is your last added products right over here. Okay, let's go to merchant profile. From here you can overview your profile status, informations, company profile, as well as history. Okay, as we go to the store profile. From here you have your store, the store image, and your store banner. You as well can change the information right over here. Okay, here you can manage your product, all of your product. The status here is approved, and published means it will show in the storefront. If it's still pending and published, you need to wait for administrator to approve the product. Only you can publish the product. Let's try add a new product. Right here we have the function. If your product is in other country currency, you can specify here. Then you just key in the total amount. Then you click convert. It will automatically convert to GC equal cash. How much the stock available? Short description. Long descriptions. How many days the item will be shipped? Where's the dimension? Let's say we put it in the dummy data. Which carrier? As we go with default. Right here you have the shipping countries. So by default Malaysia will be included. So you need to specify how many weights and what's the fee. For additional weight and the additional fee. Let's say we put it all one. Right over here means that up to 1 kg is 1 GC. If on total of 2 kg means the additional 1 kg will be another add-on fee of 1 GC. This is how it's been calculated. If your product can ship to other countries, let's say from Brunei, you can just right here add shipping country. You can see there's a new one over here. From here, same means that the Brunei applicable to all regions. Specify the weight, fee, additional weight, and additional fee. Now I don't need this one. Okay, just remove it. Now we need to specify the category of your product. Right here, you can choose which one is best fit your products. Say we go to women clothing. This is the required product attributes. Means required product attributes is the one that your product, let's say for colors, you might either have black, white, yellow, pink. So you need to specify over here so that user need to choose the color before they able to add the item to cart. Okay, right over here, the stock quantity over here will reflect back to the general stock available stock. Means this is total of 30 quantity. Right over here, it will automatically become 30. So if you need more attribute, you just click add, how much you want. If you don't need, just click remove it. Okay, let's say we need these attributes. This is the optional attributes, which is user no need can additional add on this type into their cart. Let's say we have add on belt type, plastic, together. Okay, if you have your own SKU, you can key in your SKU. And the stock quantity, here the stock quantity will reflect back to the general stock quantity. It won't reflect over here. It will is on your own. This one, say you have tens. So what's the additional? You see, let's say 5. This one maybe 10. Additional weight 1 kg, 1 kg. Okay, everything is done. Okay, we go to images. You cannot add images at this moment. You need to create the product before you can add the images. Let's create the image, create the product first. It's successfully created. Let's review your product. Everything is alright. It's in order. Then you can add your images. Let's say we add this one. Upload. Okay, it's done. It will automatically refresh the page. And you can click and you see this is your product. So you can select which one is your main image for your product. So the image must be minimum 800 times 800 images size, and it's limited to JPEG and PNG only, and maximum of 5 image only. Okay, I'm ready for this one. Let me submit for review. Okay, product is submitted for review. The review take 2 working days to process. So we just lay back and relax and wait for the administrator to approve your product. If administrator fail your product, reject your product, you can view, and there will be have messages over here for you to view what to make the changes. Okay, now if it's approved, we can update the product information right over here, but then we are limited to only certain field. We can only update the available stock, publish your product, substitution, long descriptions, shipping informations, required product attribute, and optional product attribute if you have any. As we have a look over here. Okay, we are back to here. Here you can see the administrator has approved your product, and it still is unpublished. So you need to update the product to publish it in order for it to show in the storefront. So from here, when you update, you have limited certain field only can change. Stock, publish, short description, long descriptions, shipping informations, required attribute if you have any, and optional attribute you have any, but optional attribute only you can change quantity and additional weight only. Additional you see you won't be changed. If you need to change, you need to resubmit the product information for review. So images as well you can change. Save. If you need to resubmit, and because you edit some of the information, you can write over here. Change whichever information right over here, whichever field you need to change, then you submit for review again. When you submit for review, the item will be unpublished and the status will be changed to pending. So you still need to wait for administrator to approve the product. Okay, this is end of manage products. Let me go to manage order. If user, a shopper make orders online, when they didn't make any payments, it will fall into this page, pending order. You can see it's right over here, got 1 orders. This is not yet paid, but you can see what is the total GC available, but you cannot see yet because you need to retrieve the order. Let's try to retrieve the order. Okay, you have retrieved the order. Let's review the order. This is order informations. Who order, customer information, shipping information, transaction information.